All right, so this is an extruder. This is what you're going to need to put in your dies. Your dies, you're gonna find over here in this bowl, okay? Is where I keep all of them. They stay here. Don't put them anywhere else. So then what you're gonna do is we want to use this one right here today. But I only want to use this one. I don't want to use the whole thing. So I want to block it out. So I'm going to block this out and I'm going to sit it in here. Make sure it's sitting in here and that it's not all the way pushed up to here and then it's cutting a corner and that it's not tilted where it's not cutting it correctly. So you're going to float it exactly in the middle. So then you're going to slide this and pivot like that. Okay, so it's a pivot to get it on. Pivot this over. This yellow lever is in the up position. When you want it to go down, it needs to be all the way down, not halfway, all the way down, okay? Be careful because when it is like this and you have your finger over here, it'll pinch the fire out of you, okay? So make sure that you are watching that. So it's in the down position. Make sure that it's nice and levered over it. You're gonna pull on this yellow handle. It's going to curl as it comes out. And if you want it to be straight, you don't want that. So somebody usually, but this is just a little one. So when you need to reload it, you gotta put it in the up, oh my God, up position, all the way up. And then you have to put your hand here and lift until it releases. And then you're going to reload it with new clay.